Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got a 13 and down ROAD Glide in for an NVS Audio Stage 3. So this one got 2-sound digital 800 Evo X2s in the fairing, NVS Audio T-harness. He upgraded to the SoundStream radio for the ROAD Glide. So it's got CarPlay, Android Auto, factory fit and finish, 100% weatherproof. So we did the SoundStream radio, 2-sound digital 800s. Anybody that's done the 13 down ROAD Glides knows that not a lot of speakers fit in the fairing. So we chose to go with a set of CXX Cicada 5 1/4s. They fit beautifully. Then we did Hertz 690 Neos in the lids and Hertz 200L 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. All oxygen-free copper NVS audio wiring. Upgraded the battery in this one to a Braille B3121 AGM. Somebody had put the wrong size battery in this bike, so the battery barely started the bike, never mind running the audio. So it's got B3121, more than enough power. Thing plays loud, plays clear, and it has plenty of bass. Check out the build.
Let's get down to business. Back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. 'Cause I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more.
Now does you love? Thunder only happens when it's Now here I go again, I see the crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. How does it feel? safe.